Hey y'all, so today I'm installing the QVR water wave crochet hair in natural black, but also I'm using the brown. I think it's in color 30, so let's get into it. So this is the braiding pattern. I am using a crochet wig cap, so that way it can be easier for me to install because my braids were kind of raggedy in the back. This hair is very lightweight and it's also soft. I find it really easy to manage. The more looser the curls is, the more easier, but also the more kinkier it is, the more you know how our hair get. But anyway, so I'm about to go ahead and install it. Because this is a different grade of hair than I'm normally used to, I didn't really know how many to put at once. So I did start off with putting one crochet piece of hair in. I just netted it through and I'd only tied it one time. I didn't like double knot or triple knot. It was just one knot. So I am using that crochet needle that came with the package and I just slide that hook under, pull the loop through, and then I secure it like that. They did send me 6 packs of hair, so that definitely was enough to work with. I could have even used 7 packs because I like my hair to be full. I do like volume, but 6 packs was definitely good enough for me. So I am using at the bottom the color 30. So I just wanted to give like a peekaboo type of look. So I did receive 1 pack of this. I didn't really want this color all over my head because I do like my hair to look natural, but the pop of color is definitely giving fall vibes, okay? So now I'm about to install the natural black hair. Okay, so I just slid it through like that. I'm just doing the same process. See, these braids in the front that I did are more smaller because again, I do want it to kind of blend in well. If my braids were big in the front, it wouldn't be spaced out how I want because I do want it to lay natural. And as you see, I do have some leave out as well, so I'm going to be showing that soon. But this is how the front is looking. I'm just going to keep continuing the same thing.
That's what they say. Dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act. Hemisphere, big head, college park, harbor home, hunger smoking, home, choking on that home. They profit selling, cooking, they got the balance looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it. That's what I say. No, shawty can't handle this, ever got that fire like round here we white and slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk off in the club, it gets low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, baby, bag it up. Getting drunk off in the club, it gets low.
Yo, lately I've been rocking these crochet hairstyle. I never really used to be into crochet looks. I don't know. It was something that I felt more intimidated by because these are small individual pieces and like I have to really put them in individually and it's very time consuming, but I feel that the way that I've mapped it out, I'm starting to get the hang of it, which is making me flow through it. It took some hours. I'll say about maybe 6 to 8 hours because I did do some stopping and I had to eat and it was just so much going on. I do feel that it is very time consuming if you're only putting one individual piece in at the same time. That's kind of what I did. More for the back I did 2, but in the front I did 1. But even though I did all of that, it still is time consuming. So just be sure to put some time aside if you want to install some crochet hair. Alright, so this is the best part, okay, the leave out. I never really know how much to leave out, I ain't even gonna lie to you. And I was like, how do I blend this hair in? Well, I did get my little tiny flat iron so I can get my little edges, the little short parts. But then I also used my wand curl and I was like, okay, this definitely blends in well. I didn't leave too much out because I really wanted to give more crochet hair than my natural hair to blend in well. But y'all, it blended in good like this. I was like, okay, we are giving, okay? So initially I was gonna do a middle part, okay, that's why I left some out, but I was like, let me go ahead and flip this sucker over. Okay, I like that deep part. And this is the final look, y'all. I am obsessed, okay? I was like, oh, who is she? Okay, it's me. If you've been thinking about trying crochet styles, this hair is definitely worth checking out. So I have all the links in below in my description box and you can grab it for yourself. But in the meantime, get into this look right here. Look at the blend, okay? I know you see a little thread, but the thread blend in with my hair, which make everything look natural. And this is a little peekaboo I was trying to tell y'all about. Look how that look right there. So I really love this hair. I enjoyed this whole hairstyle. And yes, I hope you liked the video and give me a thumbs up and bye.